Hello everybody, I'm John Martin of the SGR Racing Team. With the 2018 racing season just a few weeks away, we wanted to provide a quick recap of the 2017 season. Mama's Toy debuted with a brand new motor drivetrain that we took out to the Lone Star Summer Shootout. They are classified in the electronics class with a 5,000-pound daily driver SUV. With that, we actually put a couple of dragster rails and Camaros on the trailer with a semi-final appearance that we did within the event. Mama's Toy actually ended up running a 1370 at 100 miles an hour at the end of the year, with the best 60 foot of 170 and multiple 199 60 foots. With that, we're actually going to be upgrading the tires to a brand new set of Nittos, Hoosiers, or Mickey Thompsons to see if we can improve those 60 foots in the 2018 racing season. So now on to Spool. As you saw a few weeks ago, Spool actually got tuned up, is ready to go, and is driving around the block. With that, we're actually got the car at the chassis shop getting scaled and tuned in on the suspension. So you will be seeing Spool at a couple events here the next few weeks, maybe at the Muscle Car Club Challenge. Again, we'd like to thank all of our racing fans that have liked us, commented us on Twitter and Facebook, and also been out the racetrack with us, cheering us on. We'd like to thank all of our sponsors and partners again of Lucas Oil, Slick Products, Engine Ice, GoPro, and GoPuck. Greatly appreciate everybody's support. I'm looking to see everybody at the 2018 racing season.